x equal to 4x less than minus 1 minus 4x minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. F of x is an even function. Then it is defined as first option, second option, third option, fourth option. This is the question. Okay. Given that f of x is an even function. Even function means what? F of minus x is equal to f of x. So therefore f of x equal to f of minus x, that is equal to, let it be, this is capital X. F of x is defined as in the question, it is 4 comma if x means this x, new x, minus x less than minus 1. Next, that is equal to minus 4 x. This is x, so it is also x, it is also x. Observe like that. So f of minus x means this is minus x comma if minus 1 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 0. So that is f of x equal to 4 if multiply with the minus x, it is greater than 1. Next, that is equal to minus into minus plus 4x if multiply with the minus 1 greater than or equal to x greater than or equal to 0. So therefore that is it is nothing but 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So therefore x belongs to closed interval of 0, 1. It is defined as 4x. For x greater than 1, it is defined as 4. So which option is right? 4x 0 to 1. Okay, first option is right. Finish. Let f be an injective function. Injective means one function. F is an one function. Domain, the set of x comma y comma z, and range 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, such that exactly one of the following statement is correct. Means the given statement is f of x equal to 1, f of y not equal to 1, f of z not equal to 2. Okay, then find the value of f inverse of 1, or the image of y is dash. This is the question. Now the given statement, 3 statements are there, namely number 1, f of x is equal to given statements, f of x equal to 1, f of y not equals to 1, f of z that is not equal to 2. Here 3 cases will be arised, namely number 1, case 1, this is case 1, this one is true, remaining 2 statements are false. Statement number 2, second one is true, remaining are false. Third one is third statement is true, remaining false, like that. Okay, we shall discuss the first case. F of x equals to 1, it is true. So f of x equal to 1 comma f of y not equals to 1, f of y not equals to 1, it is false. So it is false means which one is correct? F of y is equal to 1. Next, this statement is also false. Then which one is correct? F of z is equal to 2 is correct. Not equal to false, then is equal to true. So therefore here we see that domain x, y, z it is given, codomain or range 1 comma 2 comma 3. According to this, x is mapped with 1 and y is mapped with 1. So this is the function f. So therefore, according to the first statement, f is not one function. F is not one function. But in the given question, f is injective function, one function. Therefore, it is not correct. Next, go to second statement. Second statement. According to second statement, f of x is equal to 1. It is false. False means what? F of x not equals to 1. It is true. Next, this one is true. F of y not equal to 1. It is true. Next, f of z not equal to 2. It is the false. Which one is true? F of z is equal to 2. It is true. Now, let us consider tree diagram XYZ 1, 2, 3. According to this third statement, f of z equal to 2 means z is mapped with 2. Next, f of x not equal to 1 means x is not mapped with 1. Means what? X should be mapped with either 2 or 3. Okay, then already 2 is mapped with z. Therefore, definitely x should be mapped with 3. Next, this one, second statement. Already this is over. Second statement. F of y not equals to 1. F of y means y. What does it mean? Y is not mapped with 1. Means y should not be mapped with 1. Then y should be mapped with either 2 or 3. For example, y is mapped with 2. Then definitely two different elements are mapped with same element. Therefore, it is also not a one function. So this is the contradiction to the hypothesis that f is injective function. So in this case also, f is not one function. Already it is the hypothesis in the given data. The question is given by f is one function, but according to case 1, case 2, f is not a one function. Therefore, case 1 and case 2 we are ignoring. We ignore the case 1 and case 2. Next, case 3. Come to the case 3. Case 3. Okay. F of x is equal to 1. It is the first statement. Means what? Which one is correct then? F of x not equal to 1 is correct. Next, it is the false. F of y not equals to 1. It is false statement. Means which one is true statement? F of y is equal to 1. It is the true statement. Next, true. F of z not equal to 2 is a true statement. So f of z not equal to 2 is the true statement. Therefore, domain x, y, z and range 1, 2, 3. Okay. First, y is mapped with 1. Y is mapped with 1. Next, it is over. Next, f of x is not mapped with, f of x not equal to 1 means x is not mapped with 1. X is not mapped with 1 means x may be mapped with either 2 or 3. For example, x is mapped with 2. Okay. Next, z is not mapped with 2. Okay, it is suitable case. Z is not mapped with 2. Then definitely z is mapped with 3. So in the third case, clearly we see that f is one function. F is one function. Therefore there is no loss of generality. The generality or data hypothesis is given by f is injective function or one function. So therefore it is the suitable case. So here y is mapped with 1. Therefore this is the right answer. Therefore of y is equal to 1 or y is equal to f inverse of 1. So therefore the image of y is 1, 1 means f inverse of 1 equal to y means this one. Okay, the image of y. You understand this meaning? F of y means y is mapped with 1. This is the answer. Over. Actually, if the question is the value of f inverse of 1, then second option is right. If question is the image of y is what, then answer will be 1. So therefore, in this case, options may be different. For example, first option 2, second option 3, fourth option 1, 1 to third option 1, third option 1, and fourth option none or not exist, maybe like that. So if the question is find the value of f inverse of 1, these are the suitable options. If the question is the image of, what is the image of y, then answer should be 1. Then options may be first option 2, second option 3, third option 1, fourth option not exist, like that. Okay. Next question. Fx is a polynomial in terms of x. Satisfying the condition f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to fx into f of 1 by x. Actually, in such a case, observe, this is sum, it is the product. In such a case, we assume that f of x equal to 1 minus x to the power of n. We have to by heart this function. So whenever f of x plus f of 1 by x equal to f of x into f of 1 by x, then f of x should be taken as 1 minus x to the power of n. Okay, one condition is given. F of 2 functional value at x equal to 2 is minus 7. Given f of 2 is equal to minus 7. So f of 2 means 1 minus 2 to the power of n equal to minus 7. So that implies 1 plus 7 is equal to 2 power n. Therefore 2 power n is equal to 8. 8 means 2 cubed. So definitely n value 3. N is equal to 3. Therefore the function will be 1 minus x to the power of n means 3. So therefore to find the value of n, it has given f of 2 is equal to minus 7. Means what? Functional value at x equal to 2 is minus 7. Okay. Next, what is the question? Find f of 3. F of 3 is equal to 1 minus f of 3 means instead of x, right? 3. So 3 cubed. So that is equal 1 minus 3 is 9, 27. So that is equal to minus 26. Its answer is minus 26. First option is right. Move on. A function f from R to R. Next question. Satisfying the equation fx into f of y minus f of x y equal to x plus y. For all x comma y belongs to capital R and f of y is positive. Then f of x is x plus 1 by 2 or x by 2 plus 1, x by 2 minus 1 or x plus 1. Actually, in this case, we cannot find directly f of x. That's why we are going through another method. In such a case, let us take one example. Let x equal to y equal to 1. Then the condition becomes, will become f of x value 1, y value 1 minus f of 1 into 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1. So that implies f of 1 whole square minus f of 1 into 1, f of 1 equal to 2. So that implies f of 1 whole square minus f of 1 minus 2, that is equal to 0. It is just like that, x square minus x minus 2, that is equal to 0. Now we are very familiar with factorization. So x square minus 2x plus x minus 2, that is equal to 0, and x into x minus 2 plus 1 into x minus 2, that is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So in such a case, x equal to 2 or minus 1. So therefore here f of 1 will be either minus 1 or 2. Therefore two cases are there. Let us verify in first option, second option, third option, fourth option. Is f of x equal to minus 1 or not? Okay, f of 1, put x equal to 1. Then 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. No, first option is wrong. Next, f of 1, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. No. F of 1, 1 by 2 minus 1, minus 1 by 2. No. Next, f of 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So f of 1 equal to 2. It is verified by fourth option only. Therefore, fourth option is correct. Next question. F is a function defined as sigma k equal to 1 to n f of a plus k equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. And another condition is there. F of x plus y equals to fx into f of y. And another condition, f of 1 equal to 2. Okay. First condition, sigma k equal to 1 to n means what? F of a plus 1. Actually, k is equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on. N values are there for k. So, sigma means plus f of a plus 2, k equal to 1 over 2. Next, k equal to 3 plus f of a plus 3 plus and so on plus f of a plus n. This is the opening of sigma for k equal to 1, 2, 3, and so on n. So that is equal to 16 into 2 power n minus 1. Okay, let it be. Another condition, f of x plus y is equal to fx into f of y. So clearly we see that it should be a exponential function. For example, f of x is equal to, according to this condition, we are taking a power x. You can verify a power x, f of x is a power x. Then f of x plus y is what? F of x plus y is equal to a power x plus y. This a power x plus y equal to a power x into a power y according to laws of indices. Okay, a power x. A power x is what? F of x. A power y is what? F of y. Just it is in terms of y. So this condition is verified for the function f of x equal to a power x. Of course, we didn't know the base small a. Okay, right. Next, to find the value of a, another condition is given here. F of 1 equal to 2 and f of 1 equal to 2. F of 1 means what? A to the power of x value 1, that is equal to 2. So therefore a value 2. Therefore fx value 2 power x. 2 power x. Okay, we are not considering n terms like that because it is a time factor in the examination hall. That's why we are following mathematical induction theorem. Means I am taking only n is equal to 1. N equal to 1 means just we are considering this one. So question becomes only f of a plus 1. F of a plus 1 is equal to 16 into 2 power. Already we have taken n equal to 1. 2 power 1 minus 1. So that implies what is f of x? 2 power x. What is f of a plus 1? Instead of x, write a plus 1. So this is 2 power a plus 1, that is equal to 2 power 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1 into 16, 16. So that implies 2 power a plus 1 equal to, it is 2 power 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So that implies when the bases are same, then exponents are also same. A plus 1 equal to 4. Therefore, a value is equal to 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Hence, which option is right? First option is right. Next question. A real valued function f of x satisfying the functional equation f of x minus y. One condition is given the condition f of x minus y equal to fx into f of y minus f of a minus x into f of a plus y. Okay. What is our question? F of 2a minus x. So therefore, f of 2a minus x is equal to, let us express this 2a minus x in terms of x minus y. So for this f of, it can be written as a minus x minus a. On opening the bracket and multiplying with the minus, we are getting the same. A minus x minus into minus plus a, 2a minus x. So that is equal to, let it be this value x and let it be this value y. Now clearly it is in the form of f of x comma x minus y. So what is its value? F of x. F of x means f of x means a into f of y. F of y means x minus a. It is x value. This one is y value. Okay, minus f of a minus x means what? A into f of a plus what is y? X minus a. So that is equal to f of a into f of x minus a minus f of 0. A minus a, 0. F of 0. F of 0 value is given. F of 0 is equal to 1. So directly we can substitute 1 into f of a get cancelled. It remains only x. So that is equal to f of a into f of x minus a minus f of x. So this is our question, 2a minus x. Okay, put in the box. Next, we need actually the answer is in terms of x or minus x, a minus x is there. That's why we are trying to find either f of a value or f of x minus a value or f of x value. Okay, we cannot find f of x value. Here, f of a, I am trying to find either f of a value or f of x minus a value, for which in the given condition put x is equal to y equal to 0 in the given equation or condition. So the given condition means f of x minus y. F of x value 0, y value 0, that is equal to f of 0, f of y 0, f of 0 minus f of a minus 0 into f of a plus 0. So it becomes f of 0 equal to x into x square, like that, f of 0 whole square, f of 0 whole square minus f of a into f of a means whole square. So that is implied f of 0. So here f of f square a is equal to f square 0 minus f of 0. Therefore, f square a is equal to f of 0 is given as 1. 1 square minus 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, f square of a equal to 0. means that f of a equal to 0. So let us substitute this value in the question. Question is what? F of 2a minus x. We got it as f of a into f of x minus a minus f of x. So that is equal to 0 into one finite value minus f of x. So therefore 0 into 0 minus f of x. Since this product is 0, we need not to find the value of f of x minus a, because it is merely waste of time in the examination. So that is equal to minus f of x. So therefore f of 2a minus x is equal to minus f of x. So this time 2021 JEE examination, according to CBSE pattern and syllabus, inverse functions are deleted. That's why mainly in this topic you must concentrate at finding the domain and ranges of the given functions and intervals of x, so that the given function is one function or onto function. Means nature of the functions. Nature of the function means is f one function or onto function or bijective function. It is true that in which interval. This kind of questions are important for the academic year 2021. And this kind of special functions means some function f of x plus y or f of x or f of y defined as so and so, like that, and one value will be given. Next, what is something different value? This kind of questions are very, very important. Okay. Next question. If f of x plus ay comma x minus ay equal to so and so, a into xy, then what is f of x comma y? Here let x plus ay equal to u and x minus ay will be v. So therefore let x plus ay equal to u and x minus ay equal to v. Now we are going to find the values of x comma y separately from these two equations, for which u minus v is equal to, u minus v means x plus ay minus v means x plus minus into minus plus a y. Then x will be cancelled. Then u minus v is equal to 2a into y. Therefore y equal to u minus v divided by 2a. This is y value. Okay, next let us consider u plus v for x value. So add two equations. By adding two equations we are cancelling ay, or it will be cancelled ay, then it remains only 2x. So that implies x equal to u plus v divided by 2. This is x. So therefore given condition or equation is f of x plus ay, we let u, x minus ay, we let v, that is equal to small a into x value, x means what? u plus v by 2 into y value. Y is what? u minus v by 2a by 2a. So that implies once again u minus v means x is cancelled, 2ay, so y equal to u plus v means x plus a y plus x minus a y is equal to u plus v. So a y cancel, it is 2x equal to u plus v, then x equal to u plus v divided by 2. That's what I substituted here. So that implies f of u comma v is equal to a Actually a get cancelled, then a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, means u square minus v square divided by 4, divided by 4. Therefore clearly f of capital X comma capital Y equal to capital X square minus capital Y square divided by 4, because here u comma v are the dummy variables. Means dummy variables means instead of that we can insert any letter. For example, alpha comma beta. We can express this function in terms of alpha comma beta also. F of alpha comma beta equal to alpha square minus beta square by 4. Means f of, I will write f of alpha comma beta is equal to alpha square minus beta square divided by 4. Similarly, we can put any variable. So therefore, which option is right? Third option is right. Next case, box of x greater than 2. Box of x means step x means it is a greatest integer function. It takes only integers. So box of x greater than 2 means that it may be 3, 4, 5 like that and so on up to infinity. So definitely x should be greater than or equals to 3. For x equal to 3, box of x equal to 3. X greater than 3 means, for example, x is equal to 3, then box of x is equal to 3. For greater than 3 means x equal to, for example, let us take 3.1. Then also box of 3.1 is equal to 3, just like that and so on. And for x equal to 4, box of 4 is equal to 4, means this one. And for greater than 4, 4.1 and so on, box of 4.1 is equal to 4, just like that. So anyhow, box of x is equal to 3, 4, 5, and so on up to infinity. Then what is the value of x? X greater than or equals to 3. So this is the second statement. So therefore, first statement is what? X less than minus 1. This is the first statement. Next, second statement, x greater than or equal to 3. This is the second statement. So therefore, now we are going to find the combined solution for x. It is the solution for box of x. But from 1 and 2, we are finding the combined solution of only x. So let us take the real line. This is a 0. This is a minus 1, minus 2, and so on, minus infinity. Next 1, 2, and so on, 3, 3, 4, and so on, plus infinity. So according to first statement, x less than minus 1. X less than minus 1 means this area. So this is x area. The shaded part is representing x area. This is x area. Next, greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3 means here we are taking x equal to 3 also. So in the solution 3 is included. That's why included means we are taking the closed interval. Greater than 3 means this area up to infinity. So it is also x. Means what? X is everywhere on the real line. Therefore, x belongs to any real number. But except this area. This area means that minus, this is excluded area, open interval, minus closed interval of minus 1, 3 open. Here we should put 3 is in open bracket because in our required solution 3 is included. In our required solution minus 1 not is there. It is excluded. That's why in excluded we wrote closed bracket minus 1. This is the right answer. So Which option is there? Which option is right? First option is right. First option is right.